Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over a chest roll fake out to behind the back barrel roll. It's a move that I did in a recent flow video and a lot of you are asking how it's done, so this is for you. So the move is going to look something like this. It's a really quick move, but I feel like it adds a little bit of an element of surprise, makes your flow more interesting and dynamic. So let's break it down. So you're just gonna take your hoop out in your dominant hand and you're gonna act as if you're gonna go into a chest roll. So what I like to do is just rock the hoop up in between my fingers at the same time as you would release the hoop to go into a chest roll, which is right before it hits your forearm. You are going to re-grip the hoop. So I have a nice loose grip on the hoop, rocking the hoop up towards my forearm. Once I do this, I'm going to bring the hoop up and towards me, and I'm going to re-grip the hoop so that my grip is on the outside of the hoop. I'm going to release, bring it up, and re-grip. Now my hand is grabbing the outside of the hoop. As you're doing this, you're gonna start turning over your opposite shoulder, keeping the hoop in this plane right here, nice and close to your body, and maintaining your grip on the hoop on the top. You're gonna start turning and start bringing your arm all the way down like this, until you are at the bottom of the hoop here. Now you're going to grab the hoop with your opposite hand. Make sure you're grabbing it thumb to thumb. Release your grip on the hoop with your dominant hand and just bring the hoop all the way up and complete the move right here. Things that you can notice as I'm doing this move, the hoop is always maintaining a really close distance to my body. The hoop is always near my hips right here. As I turn, and as I turn back to the front. So let me just show you from the side so you can see it in this plane right here. I'm gonna go into a chest roll and I'm gonna bring the hoop up and down in front of me. Now I'm just going to start turning over my opposite shoulder, bringing the hoop all the way down, maintaining that frame around my body. Now grabbing the hoop thumb to thumb as it is on the bottom, releasing my dominant hand, bringing it all the way up, and then you can continue into that barrel roll once again or go into whatever move that you'd like. Some things to make this move nice and smooth and add into that surprise factor is starting the turn as you're doing that rock up and bringing it down in front of you. It makes the motion a lot more fluid, and I feel like that's what is the surprise factor for this move. So as the hoop is already coming down in front of you, you should already be turning over your opposite shoulder. So it's kind of like one fluid motion, down and back up. Also, something to keep in mind again for your barrel roll is that your grip on the hoop is not going to change, and you really want to maintain this frame around your body. So you're gonna be moving your arm up and around so that you can maintain that circle around your body, and you're not going to be moving the hoop up and down. It really is just your arm going around the hoop and going up and down your body. All right, hoopers, I hope that helped. If you have more questions on this move, be sure to leave a comment. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, I have a bunch that are already on my channel. And if you can't find something specific that you are looking for, be sure to get in contact with me either on Instagram or leave a comment on any of my videos. More than happy to create one for you. All right, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Happy hooping.